we're having a sample sale. We've never done a sale like this before. They send me a mystery box that I don't know what these wigs are, and these are samples. So the tags are cut out. There are no tags. There are no tags inside the caps. There are no boxes. You're going to get your wig in a satin bag from me. Y'all don't want to miss this. Everything that I've got is lace front. I'm going to try to tell y'all styles that I think these are. Some of these are a prototype, so there may not be another wig like this, but the prices on these are insane. When I post this video, they're going to be live on our website under the clearance section. We're just going to call them wig number 1, wig number 2, all the way to 17, because I've got 17 here to go through. The last 4 wigs that we're going to cover are mono tops. Glameleon.com is where you're going to want to go. All of these lace fronts are going to be $125. Our 4 mono tops that we have, those are going to be $165. Some of these wigs, if I have guessed right, they are around $400. So this is an amazing price. So let's get to it. Wig number 1. These are all going to be lace fronts. This one is regular synthetic. I think there's a couple that are heat friendly in here. This is regular synthetic. If I had to guess, I would say that this one is close to Shay, S-H-A-I, because it has the new soft Swiss lace. All of these have the regular hook type adjusters. If I happen to see something different, I'll let you know before I put it on. And she's a fixed side part. So that was wig number 1. Wig number 2 is, okay, so if I had to guess the color, I'm going to try, if I can, I'm going to try to guess the styles and the colors. And like I said, these could be samples, they could be prototypes. So if I say that this one looks like so-and-so, it may not be exact. The lace front with a lot of curls and a lot of volume. I believe that this color would be R51LF60 from Estetica. And show you this one. Regular synthetic. This is wig number 2. Wig number 3, if I had to guess, I would say this one is Brighton. Oh, this one actually has a color tag in it, which is what I would have guessed that it was, is R628F. Fixed side part, heat-friendly fibers. Looks very similar to Brighton. Beautiful lace front. Super cute little curls. You are not going to beat this price. I can't tell you that this definitely is Brighton because, like I said, it's a mystery. The tags have been cut out. Some of these are prototypes, so it might be based on Brighton, but they have made some tweaks and made some changes. But in my expert opinion, this is Brighton. Okay, so we're going to move on to number 4. This one also has that really soft Swiss lace. Is a fixed side part. If I had to guess, I would say this one looks like Shay, another Shay. This one, I believe, is based off Shay. Regular synthetic fibers. Fixed side part. Ooh, that's a good wig. And I think this color would be the R628F. It's going to be a brown with a little bit of coppery highlights, some warm highlights in there. Doesn't come with a box. Let me check to see. No tag left behind. No tag in this one. Wig number 5. I think this one is probably based on Dina, because it has the same lace that Dina does, this big parting space. We're going to say this one's a sister style to Dina because, like I've been saying, they might have tweaked something, so these may not be identical, but they are as close as you're going to get. And some of these, yeah, some of these are identical. Once a year, they allow us to get these, and so I got some for us so that we could have Christmas hair. This is closer to maybe like R610. The inside of this one's cap. So you can see why I say that this one might be based off Dina, because look at that. Doesn't that look familiar? Our next one, heat-friendly style. I think this is another Brighton-based wig. This color is probably one of the sunlit blondes. Y'all can't hold me to it. We're not going on what I'm saying in terms of what wigs these are. This is just, if you want this wig, this very wig that I'm wearing for a great price, you're going to buy wig number 1, 2, 3. Wig number 6. This one's a heat-friendly wig. She's less shiny, straight out of the box. There is no box. Straight out of the bag. Ooh, a good lace front. Rooted color. Okay, so we're going to look at wig number 7, Icy Shadow. I'm not sure on the style on this one. This one's a lace front. So this one is a hybrid. This is a one-off. I don't know what this one is based off of, but if you like the way it looks, get it for a heck of a deal. This one is regular synthetic. This color is an icy blonde, almost like a silvery platinum blonde, but it has that shadow root underneath. It looks like a longer ocean to me. Let's look at the inside of this one's cap. Fixed side part, and you have that shadow underneath. Number 8, y'all are going to know what this is the second that I put this on my head. Now this one is patterned after a brand new release. I mean, as in just a couple weeks ago. This one is the only one, I think, that I see that has the Velcro adjusters, which is something new that Estetica is starting to do. Fixed side part, lace front, heat friendly. This is Jagger. This is Jagger. This is the new release that has just come out like last month, not very long ago. And so this was one of their test prototypes. This is heat friendly fibers. If you're wanting a wig that may be identical to Jagger, that is based off of Jagger, this is the one you want. Number 8. 1, 2. Yes, this is wig number 8. There's her lace front. This color, light sandy blonde with highlights. Wig number 9 is also a new release. I'm going to pull the one that I think this is patterned after. This one has the Velcro adjusters with the extended nape. This one's a fixed center part. The wig that I think this is made after is Summer's. Has the exact same nape. I thought maybe they had changed the nape on the actual one, but no, it's exactly the same nape as the one that I have on my head, and that centered part. So I know that this wig is Summer's. Our 628F, if I had to guess. And I do, because there is no tag. So she is a heat-friendly style. Lace front. Number 10 is one that's a Swiss lace again. Super soft lace. This is what I would think is another shea color. I would think is our 302826. It's not rooted. Strawberry blonde red. Regular synthetic. Fixed side part. Super lightweight style. And if these don't sell, y'all are going to see me in these. Actually, no, let me back up. The reason that I want some of these so bad, but the reason that I don't take these home myself is because if I wear one of these, people are going to ask me what wig it is. And I don't have the heart to say, oh, this is shea, when it may not be an exact shea. They might have tweaked something. They might have made the real shea a tiny bit longer, a ½ inch longer, or a ½ inch shorter, or done something a little different with the layering. And so these, I'm going to say these are one-off. So a lot of these look identical to the actual wigs. So the only thing is they may have just made a batch of them and said, okay, this is our keeper. This is what we're going to do. But I don't want to take one of these and then wear it in a video and y'all ask me what wig it is and I can't really tell you. So that's why I'm not keeping any of these for myself. My loss is your gain. Y'all are going to get some great Christmas hair. This is number 11. Oh, I think this is another Jagger lookalike. The Velcro adjusters, 1226CH, which means it's got the chunky highlights and it's non-rooted. One is a heat-friendly style, angled kind of down to the front. Cute, so cute. You can add a root to this. Not hard to do. So don't let that sway you. If you love everything about this, but you are a rooted girl, then you can add a root to it. I love that style. I love that style. This would be the one I would take. I want this wig. This one is very similar to Finn. Yeah, I think this is probably Caramel Kiss. This has got to be Finn. Regular synthetic, lace front with its chunky highlights there. I like to pick my curls apart and then I'll mist it with water and style some of the little spirals. So this one is probably Finn. Okay. That's what the inside of this one's cat looks like. So you can part that in a lot of different directions. No tag, regular hook top adjusters, a lot of hermities on this one. Look at those little bouncy curls. This is number 13, very lightweight, non-rooted color. If I had to guess, I would say that it's very similar to Jameson. So let me spin and show you this little style. Just a cute little bob. This is more of a honey blonde. There's our lace. Now we're down to our last 4. These 4 are all monofilament tops. Part them any which way you want to. This is an upgrade, a nice feature. All of these are lace fronts. Looks like a non-rooted blonde. Estetica has maybe 3 or 4 mono top straight styles that are about this length that are regular synthetic. And this is probably a prototype. So somewhere between in the ballpark of Hudson or Fallon, something like that, or Sutton. So if you're looking to see what this is similar to, one of those would be what I would say to start with. But she may be a blend of all of them. Number 14. Moving on to number 15, mono top. This one feels like it's running a little small. Smaller cap. Let me spin and show you this cute little one. This is a stacked style, mono top. And I've got a bunch of wig hair in my eyes. I really don't know what this one's patterned off of, but she's really cute. There's her lace. I have no idea what this wig is patterned after. This one reminds me of Lachlan, but it is longer. I have a Lachlan, and this one is a little bit longer than Lachlan, and Lachlan doesn't have this much wave to it. It doesn't have this much curl to it. This one is a regular synthetic, mono top, lace front, so you can part it any which way you want to. Take a little bit of doing. You need it. All right, so let's put our very last wig on. Hudson or Fallon medium length straight wigs with a mono top. So there is this little Sutton Fallon, whoever she is, Hudson hybrid. I love this wig. I think this one's beautiful. I would probably take this one home too. I like it. The color blend is great. When I release this video, all of these wigs are going to be listed in our clearance section on our website, theglameleon.com. I won't keep talking because I know y'all are ready to get over there and check it out. So get over there and check it out. All right. That's the last one. Okay. Bye, y'all.